Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be creating a Music Sunday flyer design just like this in Photoshop. And in case today is your first time joining my YouTube channel, I'll advise you click on the subscribe bell so you can get more of my videos. Now, what we need to do is start creating our background. The background might look a bit technical, but trust me, it's very easy to create. Okay, now all the resources that we use are over here. And in case you want the resources, just click at the link below. It will take you to the resources. Now, what we just need to do for this is turn this off. This is a JPEG. Okay, this does the image. So you convert your background over here. So you drag this and drop into Photoshop. This now we need it for the background. Okay, now add a layer mask on it. Come to your brush tool, your opacity 73, your flow like that. Then you can brush like this. Make sure you are taking this out. Can you see what we're doing? We're trying to take all this guy out. Okay guys, if you're done brushing this, what you just need to do now is to drop your image, your tools, then come over to this one. So you're going to drag this into Photoshop like this. Okay, if you're done with this, take it up. Aha. Now you take it under. Can you see what we have? So you're going to take this down like this. Ctrl T on it. Increase a little bit. Aha, I want this. So if you're done with this, add a heart like this. Bring it down. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now, what we just need to do for this to make it more beautiful. Now, create an ellipse tool here. Draw your ellipse tool. Hold shift on your keyboard to draw a perfect cycle like this. You're going to take this up above. This is beautiful. Ctrl T on it. Can you see what we have? Take it down. If you're done with this one, make sure you remove the stroke color. Then right click on it. Come to your blend option. Come to your blend option. Come to your gradients. Then come to your gradients over here. So you can see different options. You just pick any one you want. But for this, we are going to create. So what we just need to do is click on the first one over here. So you can pick the color you want. For this, we're going to pick this color. Can you see what we have? Or click on it again. Make this deep a little bit. Make this deep. Then for this, click on it. For this, you're going to pick. We're going to make it a heart. This is beautiful. So you click create, okay. Then you come to your emboss over here. Click on it. Are you seeing the effect it's giving to us? But now we want to play around one or two. So come to your depth, increase your depth. Let's see. Reduce it a little bit. Your size. Your soften. Are you seeing the effect? So for this, then the opacity. Can you see what we have? The more you increase, reduce, are you seeing the effect? For this, the opacity, you adjust this also. If you're done with this, you click on OK. Now this is what we have. What we're just going to do is, after creating this one now, this is beautiful. Now you can group it. Ctrl G to group. Then you name this BG. If you're done with this, convert your text here. Now let's name this our music. Thank you. Ctrl J. Copy it. Bring it down. The Music Sunday. Ctrl T on it. adjust it like this. Take it up a little bit. Now hold on the two. Then now let's pick a font for this. While picking a font, make sure you're picking a font that suits whatever you're doing. If you want the design to look rugged, simple, depend on the vibe you're looking for. Font, or we're going to use this font. Thank you. So Ctrl T on it, increase like this. Make sure it's well placed. Bring it down a little bit. Bring down. This is beautiful. Now you can group now let's go again. Ctrl G to group. Now you name this theme. So Ctrl J on it. If you're done, then close this, turn this off. Then for this, right click on it, convert to a smart object, because we want to play around it. Okay, now this is where it gets technical. Add a new layer on it like this. So click on the theme, this box over here, hold Ctrl or Command on your keyboard, click on it, it highlights it. So you Ctrl C on it like this, Ctrl D to deselect, then turn it off like this. Click on your layer, come to your filter, come to your vanishing point. So then you click on your points like this, zoom out like this. So Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl T, I'll just reduce, Ctrl T, I'll just reduce this a little bit. Take this inside. Can you see what we have? Do this like this. Like this. Are you seeing? Can you see what we have? Now this is beautiful. So you click OK. If you're done clicking OK on this one, so what you just need to do is right click on it, come to your blend option, come to your overlaying layer over here, hold Alt on your keyboard, separate this. So you're going to take this way like this. Are you seeing the vibe? Or heart? Are you seeing the vibe? So if you're done with this one now, what we just need to do is take this inside the box where we have our BG. Then you take this behind this. This is what we have. So if you're done with this now, or what we just need to do for this is to bring in these images. We'll bring in image of the lady like this. We'll reduce the lady a little bit, take her this way. Then image of the guy, you bring him this way, reduce a little bit, increase, thank you. Take him behind the lady. See what we have now. If you're done with this, then you drag in image of this man like this. Thank you. You're going to take him behind this guy. Make sure you adjust him. We want to see him play. To add a layer mask on him. So all these parts, you take it off. We don't want all these parts. Thank you. So this is what we want. If we're done with this part now, if you're looking at this guy and the lady, it looks as if they are floating. So what we're just going to do for them is click on the guy, a layer before the guy, add a layer mask on it, come to your brush tool. Here's my brush tool. So come over to your properties here. Then you can adjust this, tweak it a little bit to adjust, reduce your opacity a little bit, your flow. Then you can adjust like this. Are you seeing what we have? Are you seeing what we have for the guy? Then you do the same for the lady. take it behind the lady. So you do the same for her. You know it's a shadow. The shadow comes behind. Can you see what we have? This now looks beautiful and more realistic. So if we're done with this, remember we once wrote music Sunday. Okay, now this is it, the theme. You take it up like this. So Ctrl T on it. Take it this way. Aha. This is what we have. If you're done with this, take this one down a little bit. Then for this music Sunday now, we're gonna draw. I'm not going to draw it, we already know, but what I just did was I drew a shape, draw the date like that. So for this, what we're just gonna do, I'm just going to copy this, which is this part, not this part, this part, like this. I'm going to copy it, then Ctrl V, we just paste it. What just happened right now? So just group this, then Ctrl C to copy, then take it, then paste. This is what we have. So like this. Now what I'm going to do for this now, you increase a little bit. Now I'm going to take this behind the guy, okay, because you see his hands is up, so I want it to look as if his hands is laying his hands on it like this. Can you see what we have? This looks beautiful now. So if you're done with this, all we just need to do now is come over to our resource file. This, you drag and drop this. Don't forget, it is a musical stuff. So this, you adjust this like this, reduce it a little bit. This looks perfect. Take it this way. This looks perfect. Adjust it. If you're done with this, add a layer mask on it, your brush, then adjust your brush back. Then you can brush all these parts off. If you are done brushing all these parts off, all we just need to do now is, I'm not going to stress myself for this. So for the dates, so this for the address, so you just copy, you just paste the address. So for the address now, we're going to take it above the guy but beneath the girl, like this. So we're going to adjust it. Can you see what we have? Yes, this is just the effect. Then for the time, like this, we're going to do the same. Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl T, then take this down like this. Can you see what we have? Now this looks very beautiful, but we're not done. So what we just need to do for this is come to your first layer over here. Then for this, you drag and drop this into Photoshop. Take it up like this. If you're done with this, come to your filter, come to your blur, come to your motion blur. Increase. Yeah. This is beautiful. So one more thing, then we're done. Come to the place you have your resource file, this texture effect here, drag and drop it into Photoshop. Now we're going to change the blend option to make it look more beautiful for our design. Okay, we're not doing anything. Increase, make it suit the design like this. This is beautiful. Come to your blend option. This we're gonna leave it at let's leave it at linear dodge. Add the layer marks on it. So all this part now, you take it out, take it out, take it out, take it out. So tada guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. Then you can just reduce the opacity a little bit. Okay guys, for more videos like this, don't forget to click on the subscribe bell. See you next time.